Hi guys, today we'll be making a weekly analysis on GBPUSD and EURUSD. Then when one other pair, which could be either USD CHF, CHF USD, it's USD CHF, right?
USD
CHF, then USD or USD CAD. Then beside me is my very good friend, a GBPUSD trader. His favorite is GBPUSD. Make introduction of yourself, please.
What's up, guys? My name is Magzi, and today we'll be doing analysis on GBP USD and EURUSD, and the other pair, which is USD CHF.
Okay. Before we dive right in, don't forget my name is Gentle Black. Gentle is the gentle soul.
Gentle Black Sheep.
Then Black. What is Gentle Black Sheep? I'm gentle, like gentle soul. I'm really gentle. Then Black is my nature, my origin as an African. I'm a Black African. So that's the reason of that Black there. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right in. On GBPUSD daily time frame. As of last week or previous week, we've seen that GBPUSD has been on a major bearish trend from this top right here to this down. So, Mazi, what strategy do you majorly trade? Leading on to our people there.
Okay, I mainly trade smart money concepts and ICT.
Okay, I for one, I trade smart money concept alone. I use this order block and fair value gap, and from this trade, we'll be marking out the order block and fair value gap at where necessary. So for the previous week, GBPUSD has been bearish until last week, where it made a change of character in the changing to the bullish scenario. So let's see or look out for a point where we can take a buy entry for next week. That is to say that GBPUSD will be probably gonna be on a major bullish trend for next week. So let's see what the chart is actually saying, because the chart is the one to tell us what price is gonna do for next week or not. Over the past few months, or should I say days, GBPUSD has created a high to this point, and last 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, GBPUSD came to break this high, giving us a break of structure here. With this break of structure, this low becomes the protected low, and when GBPUSD came back, it didn't take out the low, which means we are still bullish on GBPUSD. So since we're still bullish on GBPUSD, let's dive down to 4-hour time frame to see what GBP has for us. So what time frame do you majorly take your entry?
1 hour time frame.
1 hour time frame, okay. So as of last week, GBPUSD gave us this break of structure to the upside, signifying that still going bullish. Then we have this order block right here, which GBPUSD actually mitigated this order block before going higher. So that's what a 4-hour time frame is saying to us. Let's go down to 1 hour time frame and see what 1 hour time frame has to offer us. So on arrival on 1 hour time frame, we've seen that GBPUSD has been given an internal break of structures, which I will map out. From there, we will make a decision of what price is likely to do next week, which is Monday. So, my dear friend, whenever you see that I'm wrong, you can as well put me through. That's why you're here with me. To hit a tree cannot make a forest.
Your trading concept is quite different from mine.
Okay. Very much. So we have this other block, but since GBPUSD is his favorite pair, maybe giving him the So let's. All right, guys. I just discovered that I made a mess up of some at the point. He's a GBPUSD trader, so better off he worked on GBPUSD himself instead of me working on it. So in that being, if that being the case, I'll just hand over the opportunity to him to analyze GBPUSD while I will take care of EURUSD. All right, let's get started.
So guys, I will start first by analyzing the weekly time frame to see where we are heading to see our bias on the weekly time frame first. So
sorry, you can clear off everything that I marked out on the chart, then you carry out your own analysis if you're not okay with it.
I've already swept my price. So my next target will be the low after price I've swept this side. So my target will be first this side. So I'm expecting price to maybe come up to this side and react before moving down.
Please, can you mark out the high that you're talking about that price will come up to?
So maybe price will come up to this side. Then maybe react in any. I'll look for point of interest from this side down to this place.
Okay.
Because right here we are still bearish,
okay.
But the market is buying up, so just a retracement, I would say.
Okay, while he's continuing with his analysis, guys, there is something I want to tell you about. Just want to use this video as an opportunity to disclose it out. Last week I made a release of module 1 and module 2 of my beginners class. I just want to make this take this as an opportunity to make it known to my students that each and every week, which this specific day is not known yet, I can either release my video on Thursdays, Fridays, or Saturday, but it should be almost close hours to the weekend. But I just want to make you know that each and every video that I will be uploading per week is going to be two videos. That's module 1, module 2, which I did last week. I'll be releasing module 3, module 4 for this coming week that we're gonna okay, this is Sunday, is the beginning of new week. So for this week, we'll be releasing just module 3 and module 4. Then for the next week, maybe 5 and 6 as time goes on. If I've seen how you understand it, how well you are you understand the forex market, I might fasten the videos with you also, that you can get ahead into the market and start analyzing. So let's continue with Mr. Mazi with his analysis and seeing what. Oh, the network is a bit lagging, so it will be a little. Will be patient a little.
Will be like a separate video.
Okay.
So this one really.
So welcome back, guys. Our network just we just restored the network, so we'll continue with the analysis. So over to you, Mr. Mazi.
So I'm on the daily time frame now. I know that in smart money concepts, we take our trades from other blocks, and on that other blocks, I'm seeing on unmitigated order block here.
Okay.
Before an imbalance of which is this one. This high here. My inducement. or liquidity, whatever you call it.
Okay.
So I'm expecting price to move from here to this side, then drop down. Okay, drop down to this low here. So here will first be my targets.
Okay, TP1.
Yes.
Okay.
This is on daily time frame.
Okay.
So but if price break through this line, then but for now we'll keep buying before we get to that zone.
Okay.
And on this daily time frame, we can see this green candle here. Let me zoom it out. This green candle here was Friday close, and this red one here was Thursday.
Yes,
And
so that they could get it well, you should be using this arrow to identify it. You just click, you just use it to identify any of the candles.
okay, this one is our Friday candle, and this is our Thursday candle. And you can see Friday closed bullish over Thursday. So what do we expect? First, I'll mark out my secondary draw on liquidity. If you don't know about secondary draw on liquidity,
Yes,
maybe
as time goes on, we talked about that. You just continue. This is just purely advanced class. As time goes on, any questions they have from this video, they'll drop in the comment section, then I'll answer them.
and this is my primary draw on liquidity. So I don't really take trades on Monday.
Okay.
I do wait for Tuesday. So when Monday open, then I'll see how Monday will close. Maybe when Monday close and it closes above Friday, maybe it closes up here. It closes like this. Closes like this.
The network is messy. Okay, we hope we'll be able to work with the network the way it's giving us a response right now. Let's see.
It closes above Thursday. If Monday closes above Thursday, then I'll look to get a buy to a point of interest, targeting the high of Monday. So but if Monday opens and closes below Friday, I'll look for
Okay, looking forward to sell.
look forward to for the market for the next candle for the next 2-day candle to move tap into a premium zone and sell
Okay.
to the next swing point.
So what are we looking at GBPUSD right now? Right now we'll be looking at, for the meantime we should be looking to buy it, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So that is to say on GBPUSD weekly time frame, weekly analysis rather, for next week, right now, what price is currently giving us is an opportunity to buy. But depending on what price will give us tomorrow, like he said, if price breaks above the level that he marked out, he will be looking to buy. But if it breaks below the level, which is for Friday candlestick, he will be looking to sell. So if that turns out to be, if price turns out to meet any of his condition, he will be looking to take trade on Tuesday. So without wasting most of our time, let me dive into Euro USD and see what Euro. So here we are, guys, on Euro USD, my favorite pair. So here we are, guys, on Euro USD, my favorite pair. Our last trade, we left it on profit. It was running on profit when market closed. Well, let's see what the weekly time frame is gonna say for the week for Euro USD. So, like you all know, I majorly trade on the daily time frame, and my analysis are majorly from daily time frame down to the lower time frame. I analyzed the last time that Euro USD came up here, gave us a break of structure, then came back down here. Surprisingly, we have a change of character right here. Change of character on Euro USD. Then price also came back here to change character right here. It changed character for the bullish momentum. But let's see what price is actually doing. So why price gave us a change of character on Euro USD? There is another block that caused that change of character, which is right above here. Right above here, price actually came back up to the other block and rejected. It swept the liquidity right about on it, which brother Mazi also said price came to the recent high on GBPUSD to sweep the liquidity right on it. So on Euro USD, we also have a liquidity sweep right on it, and price going back to the down movement. But let's see if we are going to take the immediate down movement or we'll still wait for price to go up a little. Meanwhile, we have a general break of structure which is right here, signifying that Euro USD is bearish. I say break of structure, change of character rather. And then in this zone, Euro USD gave us another change of character right here, which it used to execute a bullish movement last week. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame and see the last move of clear out our previous charts so that we can see clearly and understand every analysis in the market. A minute, give me 2 more minutes, guys. So this low here that I marked out is actually the recent low that price gave before it started going up. Until, let me find this to the top here. So in the higher time frame, the daily time frame, I said Euro USD gave us a change of character for the bullish momentum. Then price came down here. Now. Recent low, which price actually gave to us. Then we have this high is yet to sweep. This high is definitely a liquidity in the lower time frame. If we dive lower, while price came back to retest this change of character, daily time frame change of character, we have price left another block right here. Go down to 1-hour time frame and see what price is doing. In the 1-hour time frame, I'll go back a little to refine the other block. So we have this other block. Then just what I was saying, we have Euro USD leaving this top as a liquidity form to be taken out to tap into our daily order block where it will continue sell. Just almost same theme as GBPUSD, just as brother have said, just as Mazi said. So we'll be looking to buy Euro USD for Monday, Tuesday, thereabout, depending on how long it takes to buy. So we'll be looking to buy Euro USD right about this point, this low right here. We'll buy it from this low to this high here, then from there we'll sell it back down. So buyer or traders in the market that will be actually looking forward to trade Euro USD or GBP USD for next week, you are advised to look out for a bullish moment on a short buy to sell on Euro USD from Monday or Tuesday thereabout next week, which means our trade on New Zealand USD, which I left open last week. New Zealand USD, yes, we actually took trade on New Zealand USD last week. Euro USD and New Zealand USD here, and the trade is still on, it's still running. That means we are right holding. For those of you that hold the trade over the weekend, I told you I don't take weekend trade, but later on I took this second position and I decided to try weekend trade. So the trade is still on, and we'll be hoping to see the outcome of that trade as price opens tomorrow. And for Euro USD, I didn't get opportunity to take a second position, so we'll call it a done on Euro USD. So if only Euro USD gave us another opportunity to join the trade tomorrow, then you can take the trade. But right now, I won't be taking much. I won't be saying much. I won't say point out at any point of interest or POI, because I don't have my break of structure here right here. So I can't say this is my point of interest until I get my break of structure and I know my conditions I put in place or I'll make. I'm not going to take or make judgment of any point that I'm going to trade this trade. So right here, this top here is where I'm waiting for price to come break and give me a break of structure. Then I can decide whether to look for a buy opportunity or a sell opportunity, because sometimes price can break with massive strength and tap into this zone, then continue to the downside. So we'll be looking at Monday to give us the outlook of what Tuesday is gonna be.